All right, we're attempting to remove this bush behind me, way up there, in order to expand our garden further from what you see behind me. Now I just want to show you a quick couple of videos of what we found underneath this bush. Check out these boulders that are underneath. I've been digging them out. There's some smaller ones, and this looks like a piece of granite boulder. I mean, I'm stepping on it. I don't know, it's so heavy I can barely pull it out. Yeah, so that's, people think, oh, you guys have great soil. Yeah, we do have decent soil, except these boulders and rocks that are hidden beneath it that we have to dig out before we can actually start planting something. So anyways, that's what we got to work with. Well, that's that. The bush is out, and our next spot for the garden is ready. Hey girl, Roxy. Hi. Yeah, we had to use a Jeep to pull it out, but just want to show you how big the root ball on this is. And this is just a decorative plant that seeds all over the place. Look at these roots. I had to cut them with the sawzall, but I mean, it's massive. I'm excited but super tired that we got this done for today while the rain was here, kind of a off and on, but we were able to get it out of here and clearing it up because it was seeding all over the place and giving shade to our future garden there. So now we're gonna be able to get it all cleared up and get it planted. Hopefully this year we'll plant some vegetables in it. Just we're not gonna really do anything much about it, just kind of all over the place, and then next year we'll work on getting it all nice and tidy and shaped and everything else. That's kind of how we do things. There's no gym on quarantine. Everybody working there. Main cutter in the background with her chainsaw. Look at her go. While everybody's working, somebody's just having some cheesecake. You like your cheesecake? Somebody's waiting for a cheesecake. Garden prep. And just like that, the tree is cut up. The root is cut up into pieces for firewood. Still a piece of root that we pulled out. A bunch of soil that needs to be filled in. We'll use these wood chips to start our medium in there, to start the garden. All the yard debris stuff is on the trailer to be taken out. There's a couple more smaller trees that need to be removed, and we will be able to continue with the garden that's over there, continue right behind me to the new place. So much excitement happening. I definitely don't sound excited, just way too much work. So, but we'll get there eventually.